Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to share screen on Teams on mobile phone. So if you're using Team and now you have to present any sort of slides or maybe any other thing, and now you want to do a screen share on your mobile phone and you don't know how to do it. So don't worry, in this video, I'll show you the easiest way to do it. Also, you can find a link in the description below for Teams. So first you have to make sure you have the Teams and you also logged in with your account. So just simply open it up, and once it gets open, now on the top right you will see the option for Meet. You have to simply click onto this option and you have to start a meeting. Or if you just have joined the meeting, then that's all fine. You don't have to do that step. So for that we have to just simply create a meeting, and once the meeting is created, so once you get into your meeting, now what you have to do is that you can see we have these three dots. You have to click onto it and click onto this share option. Then after that it will ask you to select one of these options. You have to select the last one, which is share screen. So simply click onto this option, which is share screen, and after that it will show you this option. You just have to simply get agree, and after that your screen will start getting shared. Now you can just simply get back out of Teams and you can just simply present your screen. If you have to share the slides, you can open it up, or if you want to share it any other things, you can do it. So now you're connected to the meeting, like you're talking, your mic is active. If you have opened your camera, then it is also part of it. Otherwise, your screen is getting shared. Now you can just simply present the slides, or maybe if you have to show something else, you can just simply do at that point. So that's how you can share your screen on Teams on mobile phone. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, comment if you have any queries, feel free to ask. And thank you so much for watching the video.